Experience timeless elegance with this stunning pearl jewelry set, a perfect blend of classic beauty and modern luxury. Each luminous pearl has been carefully selected for its radiant glow, symbolizing grace, purity, and sophistication. The necklace features a beautifully balanced strand of creamy white pearls, finished with a breathtaking centerpiece. The floral diamond-inspired design adds a touch of brilliance, catching the light from every angle. At the center, a delicate pearl drop creates a graceful movement that enhances the overall charm of the piece. Paired perfectly with matching pearl earrings, this set is designed to elevate your look effortlessly. Whether you're attending a wedding, an evening gala, a formal dinner, or a special celebration, this jewelry set makes a powerful yet elegant statement. Crafted for women who appreciate luxury, detail, and timeless style, this set complements both traditional and modern outfits. It's not just jewelry, it's an expression of confidence, femininity, and refined taste. Imagine walking into a room and turning heads without saying a word. This pearl set speaks for you, softly, beautifully, and confidently. Perfect as a gift for anniversaries, bridal occasions, birthdays, or unforgettable moments, this jewelry set is made to be cherished forever. Because true elegance never goes out of style. If you believe in beauty that lasts, this pearl jewelry set is made for you.
Please thumbs up my video.
Like the video, share it with someone special, and don't forget to subscribe for more elegant jewelry inspirations. Your style deserves nothing less than timeless perfection.